Hi guys, you are welcome to Aluminium Educational Consultancy. We are on a lecture series titled Metals and Their Compounds, and we are currently on aluminium. Last time we looked at aluminium and its sources. We looked at aluminium as part of bauxite, corundum, cryolite, kaolin, and mica. Today, I want us to look at the extraction of aluminium, how aluminium is being extracted from these ores. But the chief source is bauxite, and that is where we'll be concentrating on. Now, in the industry, there are two steps in the extraction of aluminium. First step is conversion of bauxite to alumina. Bauxite is Al2O3.2H2O. Alumina is Al2O3 or aluminium oxide. You can see that from the formula, alumina is part of bauxite. So the first step in the industrial extraction of aluminium is to purify bauxite to pure alumina. While the second step is to subject this pure alumina to what is called smelting process, where it is electrolyzed to get pure aluminium. So in the first step, bauxite subjected to a digester it is placed inside a digester where it is mixed with alkalis. You know, chemically, alumina is an amphoteric oxide, so it can dissolve in alkalis, and also inside the digester, the alumina part of the bauxite dissolves in sodium hydroxide, which is alkalis. So when this happens, remember this happens at about 40 atmosphere of pressure and 250 degrees Celsius. So when this mixture is established, we get what is called aluminate ion. Aluminate ion we now quickly integrate with sodium ion to form sodium aluminate, which is the soluble component of the mixture. So this sodium aluminate, the reaction that produces it is displayed on the screen. Now, after this, we go to the settling tank. This is where other impurities that are not soluble in sodium hydroxide are filtered off, free oxide and other trioxosilicates in the bauxite. These filtered off here as a sludge in the settling tank. Now, after that, we go to precipitator. Here, the filtrate, which is sodium aluminate, is seeded with aluminium hydroxide crystal. We just add a small crystal of aluminium hydroxide into it. It is called seeding because it's going to induce precipitation of aluminium hydroxide from the sodium aluminate. The equation is displayed here. So just add a little part of aluminium hydroxide into sodium aluminate, and it will induce precipitation of aluminium hydroxide from the sodium aluminate. So that is what happens in the precipitator. That is what happens in the precipitator. Now, after this, we go to kiln. Here, the precipitated aluminium hydroxide is filtered off because it's insoluble now. So it will be filtered off, washed, dried, and roasted. This one is not roasting of corn. Roasting in this sense means heating strongly. And this time around, the heating is at about 1000 degrees Celsius in order to remove water of crystallization and finally give us a deposit of pure alumina. Now, after getting our alumina, the sodium hydroxide remnant there will be concentrated to be reused for another process. And after this, the alumina is ready for electrolysis in the smelting step or smelting stage. If you found this video useful, please give me a follow, comment and share it.